Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to make the most creamy, soft and fluffy mashed potatoes. So we start by peeling them and cutting them into smaller pieces. The pieces don't have to be the exact same size, we just help them to get cooked more evenly and faster. When it comes to secrets of getting nice, creamy, fluffy mashed potatoes, you have to start by choosing the right kind of potatoes. There are starchy potatoes and waxy potatoes. For mashed potatoes, you want to use starchy potatoes. They are softer inside and they contain less water, which makes them just perfect. As soon as I cut them, I put them into cold water. That way they don't oxidize, nor do they lose their color. After cutting, I wash them again, and now we are coming to the second most important secret, which is salt. Potatoes suck up the water while cooking, and with the water they suck up the salt. I have 1.5 pounds of potatoes here, and for that much you need a good tablespoon of salt. If you are not sure if you salted enough, just taste the water. Salting the potatoes afterwards is never a good idea, because you have to move the potatoes around more, you have to stir more, and that releases the starch of the potatoes, what makes the mashed potatoes gummy, sticky and pasty-like. While the potatoes are cooking, we put on another pot and put in 8 ounces of milk and 1.5 ounces of butter, which equals about 3 tablespoons. Now we get the butter in the milk and let the milk heat up. We be careful not to let the milk get too hot, because milk which is too hot has also a negative impact on the mashed potatoes. Our potatoes are cooked and soft. You even can a little overcook them. It doesn't matter, because we want to make mashed potatoes. So I season them with nutmeg because it complements the taste of the potatoes. I use a potato masher, but you also can use a fork when you don't have one. What you never should use is a hand mixer or a food processor. These tools for sure turn your mashed potatoes into gummy. Now the butter is melted and we pour the mixture over the potatoes. Depending on how starchy the potatoes are, I pour in 2/3 of the mixture first, and if I need more, I pour in the rest. Now we ever so gently just stir with a spoon the milk, the butter and the potatoes. And they come together quite nicely and real smooth, and you see, the less you stir, the creamier and the fluffier your potatoes are gonna be. So now's the moment of truth. Let's see how good they really are. As you see, they come off nicely, they do not stick to the spoon at all. They hold shape and they are as creamy as ever. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please leave a comment, like, subscribe and share, and don't miss the next one. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.